YouTube? Hey, it's your girl Chris and welcome back to Chriscentric TV. And today, you already know, I'm back with another DIY video and I want to show you guys how you can take your boyfriend's flannel shirt and turn it into a dress. So if you want to see how I do that, you definitely want to keep watching.
Okay, you would need a shirt, some pins, safety pins, scissors, and a dress for reference. I'm using a men's shirt, just a regular button-up shirt, and it's a size large. The first thing you want to do is cut off your sleeves, and you just want to put them to the side because you'll be needing them later. Then you want to cut the top part of your shirt so you can give it like that box shape. And you want to fold it in half and take your dress and lay the center of your dress with the folded part. And then you want to cut off the extra fabric. Remember to leave 2 to 3 inches for seam allowance. Okay, flip your top piece over and use your pins to pin down each side and sew it down with your sewing machine. For the sleeve, I am just removing the cuff and I am cutting it open just so I can have more fabric to work with, and I do the same thing to each sleeve. Okay, so I'm just basically folding it over and cutting straight up. And you should have these strips that I'm going to fold over one more time. Then I'm just going to sew along that line right there like that. Okay, now you can use your inverter tool to invert them. I didn't have a tool, so I'm just using my hands. Okay, and that is how they look. So I'm just pinning down the top part of my dress. And I'm also just gonna pin where I want my straps to be. Make sure you try this on before you sew it. And I'm just gonna sew along that. Okay, and just cleaning it up, removing the extra fabrics and stuff. And that is how it looks. I really love the way it turned out. It was super cute and comfortable, perfect for a girl's night out.
If you go thrifting, don't forget to check out the men's section because they usually have the best stuff. Men clothes is also girls clothes, so yeah. All I have for you guys today, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Go ahead and do that shit right now. And be centric, live centric, stay centric, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace!